Hi everyone, and welcome to Teaching Tuesdays. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how credit card information is stored, how to charge an existing account on file, and how to manage those existing accounts, as if having to delete an expired credit card, for example. The first thing to understand is that Iris itself does not actually store any of the credit card data for your customers. It's not stored on your computer. It's not stored on our servers. The credit card information for each of your customers is stored on the merchant processor's servers in a PCI compliant environment. And it's done through a process called tokenization. So whenever you take a sale in Iris, the process is actually completely automatic. So for example, if I go to take a simple sale, and I'm going to search for a customer, in this case myself, and you add them to the order. When you go to process this payment, and I go to a credit card, if this is the first time that this customer is making a purchase from you by a credit card, and I type in the card number, and you submit this payment and process the transaction, the tokenization process is completely automatic. Iris sends this information over to the merchant processor's servers, where it is tokenized and stored securely. If, however, now that customer comes back and wants to make a purchase sometime in the future, you now have access to all of the credit cards that were used for past transactions, and I can see them by simply going to the cards on file option. And here I can see the last 4 digits of the card and the expiration date. If I click on more accounts, I can rotate through all the different credit cards that were saved. In this case, there are 2. Once you select the one that you want to use, you're just going to simply hit select and process, and this will recharge that account on file. So it's very simple. The process, again, is completely automated. If you need to manage any of those accounts for any reason, for example, having to delete an account on file due to the fact that it might be expired, you simply go and click on the Manage Accounts button. And this will open up the Manage Cards on File window, and I can see all of the different credit cards that are securely stored. Again, the actual credit card number is not stored in Iris in any way, shape, or form. This is all stored on the merchant processor's PCI compliant servers. So if you want to, let's say, for example, remove a credit card because it might be expired, you're just going to simply select it and you're going to hit delete, and that will remove it from your system. So that is how you process an existing account on file and how Iris stores credit card information for your customers.